Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to insert shapes. You can very easily insert these shapes in MS Word. So follow some my easy steps. So firstly you need to click on insert and here you see this shapes option. Shapes option will be showing all Microsoft Word version. So just click on it and here you see this different type of shapes you can see here. So like you need to draw this type of arrows and I need to select this circle. I need to draw this circle shape. So just move the cursor and draw it. So you can very easily draw and you can customize this circle by here and fill the color, shape color, and here outline you can add this outline, and here shape effect you can give the effect also like 3D type and other options will be there. So this way you can very easily insert any symbol in MS Word very easily. So thanks for watching.